Yo, what's going on, guys? So this week we were supposed to be in Aruba, but unfortunately, considering the new travel restrictions in place for international travel, we decided that we changed it up. We came to Fort Lauderdale this morning. We're going to be exploring the Florida Keys. We're going to be doing Key Biscayne National Park. We're going to be doing Everglades National Park. So I'm really excited to be making this video. It's probably going to end up being a couple videos, but stay tuned and enjoy the adventure. Well, I can cross off item number 1 on this journey, and that's the Hillsborough Inlet Lighthouse. It's so cool here. It's a little windy, but I flew my drone. Check out some of these shots. So this morning we left our hotel at about 5:30 a.m. We're at Bahia Honda State Park down in the Florida Keys right now. And after this, we're going to Key West, and we're just kind of hopping around the Keys, seeing all the cool things that we can find. So this state park's really cool because you get to explore around the railroad bridge that actually used to connect the mainland of Florida all the way down to Key West. It's no longer in service. I think 1972 was the last year, but it's still cool to check out. So we're here in Key West today on our second day of the trip. We're just gonna walk around and explore the city a little bit. Right now we're on our way to the Lighthouse, and then after that, who knows, we'll see what happens. Oh, the lighthouse is closed, but this is about as close as you need to be to see it. We're now at the Fort Zachary Taylor State Park in Key West, and we're going to explore this old fort that was built in 1845, and then we're going to go check out the beach. Alright, this is a lot cooler than I thought it was actually going to be. So this spot was actually a recommendation from my sister, who was here just a couple days ago. So shout out to you, sis. This place is awesome so far. We're gonna go in here because it looks like I found a little window. It looks like it doesn't really have a view to the ocean, just this emerald colored moat. It really must have been crazy to be a soldier during this time. I mean, forts are like cities nowadays, and this is just a little hexagon. That's a big cannon. We found the sleeping quarters. I wonder if those are actually the original bunks to this fort. So to get good shots, sometimes you gotta crawl through some sketchy areas, but it's worth it. You get shots like this. Today we're back in the Keys in Isla Mirada at the Chica Lodge. We're swimming today, going in the ocean, and we're checking out what this resort has to offer.